Alright, what's going on, y'all? I'm gonna make this a short, quick video of what I got going on. I'm just nearly done with the Panoramic job here. I've been doing a lot, parting out here, so just trying to recoup it, make the money here. So yeah, this is another vehicle that I need to get the drivetrain out, and I just had another one in here, a Yukon Denali XL, beautiful truck. Just had a lien on it, so another 5.3 got in here. So yep, it's time to get this up out of here. And the doors, still got a Diablo in here. And doors galore, just everywhere. I have the Yukon moved over here. In this spot, I need to start doing work to this truck and get this out of here. So to get past all this Jeep car, yeah. So now it's time to get all this up out of here, man. Y'all, it's nearly out of here. I'm just trying to recover, you know, make money and other little spots and stuff and carrying on and just stay afloat. But yeah, just trying to finish up this and get my customer happy here. Yes, guys, so possibly have another one coming from Ohio. I don't know, we're still talking on that. So if we get that in, you guys will see that. I'll let you guys see me picking up the Panoramic for it and everything. I think it's a Monte Carlo SS. So I'm excited about that. I got a lot more videos for you guys. I'm just, you know, just trying to recover from the loss of a brother and, you know, funeral expenses and stuff. So I'm just trying to stay afloat here and still tackle this car at the same time and get it all going. I gotta get ready, put the back seat back in for him. Just little things. Got his belt and stuff back on here, so he's good to go on that. You know, so hey guys. Yep, so cutting this video short. I'm about to go ahead and it's pushing 5 o'clock here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it on in, but yeah, I am nearly done. This is a lot of work. You guys got to understand that this is a lot of work, but once you're almost done, so hopefully I'll be able to shoot in a primer shot for you guys. I don't know, maybe Friday we'll have another video up of this, and then you guys will see that. And then I got to stop by a friend of mine's house for a drill, so I got to do that and squeeze that in for the drain lines, just the hose. The drain lines already ran, but the hose. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching the video, and signing out.